Let me share with you how incredibly simple it is to make your own flaky scallion pancakes at home. The process is straightforward and the result is just as good as your favorite street food store. We begin with 500 grams of all-purpose flour. This is the sturdy foundation for our pancakes. To that, we add 3 grams of salt, which will enhance all the other flavors in the dough. Here is the key to the perfect texture. Pour in 170 grams of boiling hot water, followed by 170 grams of cold water. Using both temperatures creates a dough that is both tender and strong. Bring the mixture together into a shaky ball, then turn it out onto a surface. Knead it gently for a few minutes. You will feel it transform under your hands, becoming smooth, soft, and elastic. Place the smooth dough back in the bowl and cover it. Let it rest for 20 minutes. This waiting time allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out into a thin sheet later. While the dough rests, we make the paste that creates flaky layers. In a bowl, mix flour with pepper salt. Slowly pour in heated oil while stirring continuously until it becomes a smooth, creamy paste. Now for the signature sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of tartar spice powder, and a teaspoon of sugar. This creates a complex, savory sweet paste. Heat a little wine in a pan, add finely chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook them slowly over low heat until they become soft, sweet, and incredibly fragrant. This forms the aromatic base of our sauce. Pour the sauce mixture into the pan with the softened aromatics. Let this simmer gently over low heat, stirring occasionally. It is ready when the sauce darkens slightly and you see small bubbles forming around the edges. Roll the rested dough into a large, thin rectangle. Spread the prepared paste evenly over the surface. Roll it up tightly into a long log, then coin the log into a spiral. This creates the layers that will become wonderfully flaky. Gently roll the coin dough out to fit your pan. Place it in the oil pan and use your spatula to create gentle folds and wrinkles on the surface. This gives it that classic crispy texture. Cook until golden and crisp on both sides. Once the pancake is golden and crisp on both sides, brush the top generously with the warm savory sauce. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and fresh chopped scallions. The result is a pancake that is incredibly flaky, savory, and utterly satisfying.